Hi guys, it's Ranjit Vishwal from TechReview.com. Today I'm gonna unbox and give the hands-on review on a very special device, which is a blockbuster in the market, Android market. It's none other than Euphoria. Euphoria is a very good device which comes on the price range of 7,000 rupees. For the 7,000 rupees, it gets a lot. Let's just check its specifications. So it's get a processor of Snapdragon Qualcomm 410 quad-core 1.2 GHz ARM Cortex, which is a 64-bit processor, and the GPU you get is Adreno A306 3D graphics, which is clocked to 400 mHz. The screen you get is the 12.7 centimeters 5-inch IPS high definition display, which can give you a pixel of 294 ppi, which is protected with a Corning Gorilla Glass. The memory you get with the phone is 16 GB ROM, and the usable memory we are gonna check after booting it. RAM which you get is 2 GB DDR3. Camera you get a 8 megapixel autofocus camera. I think it's a Sony f2 lens, and the front is 5 megapixel wide viewing 4P lens. Very good. The OS you get Android Lollipop based Cyanogen 12. Connectivities are Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB 2.0. I don't know whether OTG is supported or not. Then the normal feature GPS, blah blah blah. Then you do get a battery of 2230 mAh, talk time up to 7 hours, standby also 16 hours. Bands which you get in this phone are 2G GSM, 3G, 4G LTE. You get a lot of bands, 2000 starting from 2300 mAh to 2600 mAh, which is a very good in India. Then you get 3G up to 42 Mbps, 4G up to 150 Mbps, and sensors you give in this phone is gravity sensor, proximity, light, accelerator, gyroscope, electronic compass, and video you can record till 1080 pixels. So these are all the specifications about the phone, and the model number of this phone is YU5010, and you can see the original MRP of this phone is 7,999, manufactured by U Televentures, manufactured in India. The SAR ratings you can also see 0.41 for the head and 0.67 for body, which is optimistically very low for this device. So let's unbox the device now. Presenting the Euphoria 5-inch display, decent device for this price range. We'll get back to the device somewhat later after we check what's there inside the box. So over here you get a 2230 mAh rechargeable battery. Then you do get a screen protector of U. Then after this you get a I think some kind of documentations. Yeah, of course. Yeah, you do get a user manual. Then SAR information. All this documentation, warranty card, special features, all are there. These are blah 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 stuffs. Yeah. Then you get the earphones. Good, looks to be very premium. See. And one thing I can say that these are shaped like iPhone earphones. You can see. I don't know whether the quality will be as like iPhone, but I expect you to do a lot on your phones. Then you get a standard USB charging and data syncing cable, just not new. That's all, and you do get a travel adapter. You just a standard one. We'll just check it afterwards. Okay, now let's directly come to the point, which is the U Euphoria. So this is the U Euphoria. Let's just check what's written over here. Yeah, we get a 8 megapixel autofocus camera and 5 megapixel front focus camera. It's not autofocus, it's just a focus. And then we have endless UX customization with Cyanogen 12 Android based. CPU we get in this phone is Qualcomm Snapdragon 1.2 GHz 64 bit. And you have a take control privacy. And you get the this is the best thing which I can say this phone has, the Corning Gorilla Glass. Then this phone also gets a 4G LTE, which can give you a bandwidth of 150 megabytes. So just take out this cover. So guys, this is a self-reviewing and it's not a retail unit. It's a private use. I'm a private user and I bought it on Amazon for rupees 6999. So I am not a company reviewer or something. So I am gonna give you honest reviews. So you can see this is the device. Looks very premium for the price. And you can see this is a kind of black, which if you take it out in the light you can see it's somewhat like blue. The finish is quite good, feels kind of rubber, which do prevents fingerprints, but still with oily hands you can get fingerprints. This is the camera which you get, Saturn ring, which you call, and this is the LED flash. So in the front you get a 5-inch Corning Gorilla Glass protected IPS display, and over here you get a 5 megapixel front facing camera, earpiece, and you do get a proximity sensor. I think you can see or cannot see, I don't know. Yeah, it's the proximity sensor. And you has not mentioned anything about the LED notification, whether we will be getting it. Till now we don't have any LED notification. Even if it is there, it doesn't lights up. And the right side you have this metallic bars, and over here you have a dedicated volume down, volume up key, and in the between of those things we have a power key. So on the left we don't have anything. So I'll just take out this cover and put the pop of the battery. So this is the back. These are the two ports for SIM 1 and SIM 2, and this is also a port for micro SD card also. Sorry guys, I can't see this. Yeah, and over here we get the loudspeaker. The body is very good, very quietly finished, no scratches, nothing. So we'll just go and take out the battery and just pop it out, and then we are gonna put the device. So you can check, this is the battery which you get made in China for model U5010. This is the phone's model. It's the original U battery. I think U has copied the Micromax things, because Micromax also meant the same thing. Yeah, this is the 3.8 volt Li polymer battery, 2300 mAh. It's quite a decent, I would say, for the price. So let's pop in the battery and close this. Closing the back cover may take some minutes, because this is it's pathetic. Still it's not closed. Okay guys, it has closed completely, and let's boot the device on. Yes, you can see the U logo, powered by Android. I'm sorry guys if there are any shakes in the video because I have to do multitasking. I have to hold the camera and also this device. So yeah, this is the Cyanogen logo which has come up and which shows that device is booting. I have been using this device for like 3 to 5 days and I have checked the device is working very fine. Yeah, so this is the lock screen. Swipe it and turn lock. Yeah, this is the desktop which you get, very good desktop, and this is you get a everything is kind of a stock Android you get in this phone. There is very less customization that also. So yeah, this is the screen which you get. See, the buttons are not over here, it's on the screen itself, and you can see these buttons are of different kinds which can again be customized. You can bring these buttons this side, this side, this side. You can bring it. So let's check what are the features. So this is the dedicated menu bar. These are the apps. Just directly we go to the settings over here. Yeah, this is settings. Let's go to about phone. So yeah, device model 5U5010, Cyanogen mod is 12.0 something. Then the Android version is 5.0. Yeah, I expected Lollipop. So it's running on the latest Android Lollipop. Cyanogen is 12.0. Yes, very good. Touch on the phone is quite responsive. So guys, this is the status. Regulatory information, let's check. Many of you have asked what SAR information. So the SAR information for the head is 0.410 and for the body it's 0.670. So let's get back. So guys, the phone is a very good and decent device, and after checking it for nearly 3 to 5 days, and I can say for the price we get, this device is very good, very perfectly finished. But there are some softer bugs which you get in this phone, when you are going to this when you are calling someone, right? After calling, when you get a call, the phone screen goes completely blank. It's just going blank for like 2 to 3 days. But when I used for the 4th day, it just went off. I don't know why. For the first 3 days the problem came, and the 4th day just the problem has gone. This has happened to my Euphoria. Let's check the CPU Z. This thing, information, this thing. Yeah, we get a of course we got a Qualcomm Snapdragon 410 1.21 GHz processor. Cores are 4. Architecture is this. So vendor is Qualcomm. GPU vendor is Adreno something. This is the normal which I have told you. Yeah, we can see out of the total RAM 1890 MB, which is 2000 with nothing but 2 GB RAM. Out of that we get available of 1250 MB. I can say like 1.3 GB we get out of 2 GB, which is very good for this device because it's a 7000 device which has got a DDR3 RAM. DDR3 may not give that much, but this phone is giving that much, and the available storage, internal storage, is 11.95 available for the user. So it's not bad, it's again good. Available storage is 10.44, which is quite good. System, we get a Android version 5.0, API level is 21. Bootloader is again the Lettuce, which is nightly built by the Cyanogen mod. Built is LRX220 something. There is no root access till now on my phone. You can root your phone, but please unlock the bootloader, because if you don't unlock the bootloader and just you root the phone, the warranty of your phone will just go off. So I recommend everyone, if you want to put some custom ROM or something, you just unlock the bootloader. This is about the batteries. Yeah, the thermal we get a decent one, but I have seen after charging this phone, the temperature of the phone gets very high. It quietly reaches for me like 40 degrees Celsius after charging, and after a full charge, after like 100%, the one time that this sensor showed me like 52 degrees. So you have to be careful, but don't worry, it's only while charging, not during calls or something else. Sensors on this phone, which already have seen. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video, and do subscribe us. I'll be back to you with this Euphoria again with the new Cyanogen 12.1 update, because you has told yesterday that it will be giving us 12.1 update for this device soon as possible. And they have also told that after Cyanogen update 12.1 update, this phone will be getting much more faster, much more good. It will also be getting a LED notification over here, we feel so. And the main thing which you has told, that it will also get a OTG support. Till now we don't have any OTG support this phone right now. Okay, thanks guys, thanks for watching. Do subscribe.